Good morning. I literally just woke up, but I've been editing my video and I realized I didn't even give like a proper intro or explanation about anything. So let me break everything down of the events that actually happened. On this date, one of my friends at work ordered some nails, and that was like the first time I actually gave my nails away for money. That was like a custom set that she asked for. I'd been kind of wanting to change my branding and everything and set things up, but all like the selling logistics I was specifically like putting that off just because I was kind of like, I'm not getting orders, there's no point in me spending all this money on packaging and everything. So then my friend ordered some nails and I'm like, okay, I actually don't have anything I can give her the nails, but I had a vision of like all the little bits I'd put in there in the box and what the box would look like, and I just hadn't like sorted any of that out. That sale kind of propelled me into actually getting all that things sorted. I will show you all of that stuff, but basically like packaging and branding. And then after that, one of her friends, after seeing her nails, messaged me asking to order 2 pairs of nails. And then on that same day, a girl who found me on TikTok who lives abroad also messaged me for a custom set. So that was a bit crazy. I was like, is this like real? I was very like weary. I was like, I'm not gonna get my hopes up. They messaged me, but like you never know if it's actually they're gonna go through with it. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. So I wanted to show you what I got to pack my stuff, as I said, hopefully in the intro if I didn't forget. So I finally like ordered everything that I need for packing, which is super exciting. So the first thing I got was a bunch of boxes. I got these huge pack of boxes. I literally couldn't find anything for like less boxes. This is 50. This is what it looks like when you close it up. It's quite a small box, but I feel like it's like the perfect size. And I want to show you, oh yeah, I also got this like pink, I got this like crinkle paper to put inside. I got these a while ago, but I got more of my like boxes where I actually put the nails. For all the extra things, I got some cuticle stick things. I've got these buffing blocks that I always use anyway, so I'm gonna put one in there to buff the top of your nail. I have a whole box of sticky tabs, so I'm gonna put 2 sheets in there. I'm gonna put 2 sheets. There's like 4 like separate sections, so this should last for like 4 wears. And then I got these like nail cleanser pads, and they're so cute. Like, why are they so, I don't know, I just love this. It's basically just an alcohol pad, but these are actually from a nail brand, which I thought was cute. And then the last thing is obviously a nail glue, and this is gonna last you like quite a while, so I'm just gonna put 1 in there, but I did buy loads as well. Yeah, these are the little cleansing pads, so cute. So yeah, I'm all stacked up. I obviously don't have that many, but like I thought I'll buy a few, and then, you know, I haven't made a sale yet, so once I actually start I can buy some more. Basically it's gonna look like this. I don't know if you can see. Hopefully I explain this as well, but I want to rebrand like my name and everything. I'm still working on that. Well, I want to do a thank you card, and I also want to do a card, maybe on the same card. One side is like a thank you, and then on the other side I need to write out like an instructions manual thing of how to put them on. Yeah, the only thing left to do is order some logo stickers, write an order, or maybe just print out myself, I don't really know, the instructions / thank you card. But I'm pretty happy with it. It looks really cute, and everything's pink for some reason. That was unintentional. It's the 11th of January. One of my friends at work actually ordered a nail set, which is super exciting. Like I haven't had a sale yet, so this will be like my first official sale. Maybe I'll show you once I've finished the nails. I've just got back from work and this arrived, which is my logo stickers. I'm so excited. I got sticker sheets. They also had options for rolls or like individual stickers, but I just got a sheet. I'm so nervous, I don't know why. Okay. Ooh. Wow. They look so good. Oh my god, this is crisp. Whoa. And I think it looks good quality, I don't know. I mean, you can see the writing, that's good. I'm so excited, what the fuck? I really like it. How many do I get? I don't remember, I think I got 50. This is my like test box. I saw people like putting the sticker on like the opening to seal it, but then like you can't really see the sticker, so I wanted it on the front, but is it weird if I put 2 stickers? Like one here, one there? Ooh, sick. I did it a bit curved, okay. And then I was thinking like to give people like an extra one in the box so that they could stick it wherever they wanted. I think it's so cute, like from far away. Does that look cute? Do I need something extra, like a ribbon or something? I don't know. The only thing left to do for this order is paint the nails, which shouldn't take long, but I've just been putting it off because I've been busy doing other things. And also print out the instruction / thank you card. I can't wait to show you the finished product as well. I don't know why I'm always on the floor when I do these updates, but we're back with an update. So I finished painting the nail set that my friend from work bought. Here is a video that I made for my TikTok and Instagram, and she just showed me like some inspo pics, and then I drew it. I drew like a design out inspired by what she liked and sent it to her. She was like, yeah, this looks good. Like I didn't even have to change anything, which was like, I thought it'd be a back and forth, but she was just like, yeah, it looks cute, let's do it. After that came all the ordering of everything. So that's when I was kind of like in a panic, like, oh shit, like I don't even have boxes. I don't even like my brand name. Basically I had to build like the whole brand from like kind of the beginning because I'd never like sold anything yet, so I didn't really have all that in place. But that was a good like push to get everything sorted, and I knew that I had to do these things. I just like was kind of putting it off because it didn't seem worth it yet. But these are the nails that I did. This is how I packaged it with all the supplies, and yeah, I was really happy with how it turned out with all the packaging. I gave it to her last week. Now I'm just gonna carry on doing what I usually do, which is just paint things I enjoy painting and then post it. Oh, but I do have some nail courses this week, which isn't really to do with the press on stuff, but it is obviously nail related. So I have like a gel extension and gel polish nail course. It's like a full day, 9 till 6. I had to take a day off work for that. Hello. I'm gonna be very quiet because I think my housemate is still asleep. I got my nail course today. I feel like I look so tired, but I literally need to leave in like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go. It's 9 till 6:30, and then at 6:30 I'm going straight to my ballet class, which starts at 7:30, so very full day, and that's until 9. I also need to go quickly buy a notebook because I realise I literally don't have a notebook in my flat. phone is dead, but I hope you can still hear me. It is March 14th and my spring collection is launching tomorrow. I have them all in this box, so I can't actually show you it nicely, but I'll put some pictures up. So literally since my first orders, it's been like a month or so. I've never done like a collection before, and I feel like a lot of people, any small business kind of does these kind of like launches, and I've heard that that's kind of like better than just randomly rolling out items like as you make them. So I thought, why not do a launch for spring, 4 new ones and then 3 that I only did last year. So from last year's spring I did these fruit ones. So I got the strawberry picnic ones, the blueberry picnicky ones. These are literally the same but strawberry and blueberry. And then the cherry ones, and this is very on brand. So there'll be 7 total to choose from. Yeah, if you want to check that out, all the information's on my Instagram. I haven't got a proper shop yet because it's just at the moment not like money wise, it's not worth paying for a website and all of that. So for now I've just made a Google form, which I actually haven't even made yet. I need to finish that today. I'm kind of like struggling a little bit with like all the logistics of business stuff. The first orders I had that you saw, one of them was kind of like a friend of a friend type vibe, so I thought I can probably trust her. So I just did a bank transfer. The third one was someone abroad. Obviously, like that's like complete stranger, so I was a bit more like wary and careful of that one. If you're interested, I set up a business PayPal, which does take fees. To be fair, I didn't even calculate the difference, but it seemed more worthwhile, less fees than if I was to use Etsy. And to be fair, she had already asked me whether I can use PayPal, and it went fine. I think it kind of gives you more protection, like the buyer has more protection and the seller also has protection, I think. That's the update. And we're back. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment and like and share and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I do post on there almost every day. Hope you all have a great day. I'll see you next time.